that I'm not working, I still like to look pulled together, but I don't really like to wear foundation. I love the way my skin feels when I'm not wearing foundation, and so today in this video I want to show you guys my no foundation makeup routine. It's a very simple makeup routine. It's a very natural makeup routine. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. My skin is cleansed and hydrated, so now I'm going to go in with my Aveeno Daily Moisturiser containing SPF 15 and slather this all over my face. And now to spot conceal, I'm going in with my Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Ginger to not only spot conceal but to brighten the face. Using my Echo Tools Beauty Sponge, I'm going to blend out that concealer. I always love illuminating my face. Bringing light to the face, I think, just makes you look so healthy and radiant. So I'm going in with the Master Strobing liquid from Maybelline in the shade Light, warming up a small amount on my hand before I go in with the beauty sponge. Without bronzer, I just feel so dead in the face, and bronzer makes me come alive, so I try to never miss this step no matter how lazy I am. I'm going to go in with my Nars Laguna bronzer and sweep this basically all over my face. I've been really into blush lately. I wear it every day. I try out all my different blushes, but today I'm going in with my Rimmel Royal Blush. It's a cream blush and the shade is Coral Queen. Just with my finger, I'm also going to apply some on my lids. And then I'm just going to blend it into my crease with my Real Techniques domed shadow brush. As per usual, all I do with my brows is run my Maybelline Browdrama in the shade dark brown. I just run this through them and it gives them fibres, it keeps them in place and just gives them a very natural groomed look. Whether or not I am wearing makeup, I will always curl my lashes with my Tweezerman eyelash curler. I think it makes such a huge difference. It makes me look awake and gives my eyes more definition. Now for the portion of the makeup routine that brings everything together, mascara. I am still loving Lancome Monsier Big. I am almost at the end of this tube. It's almost dried out. I do have another one in my backup, so I'm not too concerned. But this is just a beautiful, voluminous mascara. It's just amazing. I also like to apply a little bit of bronzer on my lower lash line, so I'm going to do that using my Real Techniques base shadow brush. It's a tapered brush and just gives a really nice application. I always tightline because I just think it makes such a big difference to your lashes. It just makes them look so much more fuller and defines the eye again. I'm going in with the Rimmel Exaggerate Eye Definer in Blackest Black. And then to tightline the lower rim, I love this Rimmel Magnifeyes Brown Eye Definer. It's a gorgeous bronzy shade with a hint of shimmer. I have run out. It's almost right down to the end and I must go out and buy one today. It's so gorgeous. I just love how soft it makes the eyes look. I'm going to highlight the inner corners and brow bone with the same highlight that I used before, just using my finger. And then using the same cream blush as I used on my cheeks and eyelids, I'm just going to dab a little bit of the pigment onto my lips. So that's it, that's all I do for this no foundation makeup routine. Very natural, very simple and very quick. It usually takes about 10 minutes. And I'm good to go. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.